Snap your fingers, feel the vibe. Sing with me, let's get it right. Is it runs or is it run? Come along, this will be fun. If the subject is just one, add an S, yeah, that's the run. He runs fast, see, that's tight. She drinks coffee every night. But when the subject's more than one, drop the S and now you're done. They run fast, look, it's clear. We drink coffee every year. IUE, they keep it plain. Know what's needed, don't complain. He, she, it, don't forget. Add that S or you'll regret. Is it one or is it more? That's the rule you can't ignore. He walks but they walk free. Grammar's cool, just sing with me. One or more, or let's explore. That's the rule you can't ignore. It rains hard, but clouds rain light. Keep it smooth, you've got it right.
Some verbs like have just break the game. He has a dog, it's not the same. Though it do and does as well. Does she dance? Oh, ring that bell. Be careful now, don't let it slip. Irregular verbs can crack the whip. He goes to work,
Not goes as please.
she does the chores.
Say that with ease. The cat chases lasers, but the dogs just chase their tails. Santa flies on Christmas night, but the elves just make the sale. My phone dies when I'm out late. My friends laugh, well, that's my fate. Love hurts, but hearts heal fast. Learn this rule and you'll outlast. Is it one or is it more? Now you know, don't miss the score. She smiles bright, but we smile too. English verbs, now that's your cue. One or more, you've explored. Close that grammar, open door. It shines today, but stars shine bright. Keep on learning, feel the light. Snap your fingers, feel the grace. Grammar's dancing in your face. One or more, you've got the key. Sing it loud, stay grammar free.